Hello from Slovenia again. Oops, some weird light. I will do an open cup, this flower shaped open cup today. So I will just pour some black here first. And I will start with this is a Vallejo pearl medium mixed with deep turquoise. So let's start with this one. And this is sky blue light. I will put all the colors into the description box. Okay. And this is just deep turquoise. And I will add some pearl white here. And permanent red violet. And some gold. And some prism violet. And I saw my friend Erika from Erika Art that she spin this a little bit before she added more paint. So let's see what will happen. So I will add a little of my black here again. And this pearl turquoise that totally take over. And sky blue. And let's add some gold here. And some deep turquoise. And some pearl white. Some prism violet. And a little bit of gold again. And permanent red violet. And maybe I will just, I don't have black, so I will just pour a little white around, just when I will spin, that this will have some space to go somewhere maybe. It looks like that I'm not in the middle or something. So what is happening? Let's add some pearl white again. Some of this prism violet. And maybe a touch of sky blue light here. I have a lot of lacing. But I want to have a little more of this violet here in the middle, because I will dip this middle part, so I will just add a little white here, because my paint is more to the other side, so I'll just try to help it flow when I will spin it a little more. Okay, so I will leave this and grab my balloon. And try to do some nice middle. Quite okay, not here, but here is quite okay, so I don't want to mess it around a lot. So I will just try to tilt it a little bit down and spin it again. I think I'm done. Just a second. So I'm not quite sure about this middle, so I'm just thinking that I will add just a little of this whoop. And I will dip it again with the balloon. I just have to wipe it off. Just a second. And maybe I want a little of pearl white too. Okie dokie. Just didn't press good, I think. Let me grab my glove. This is more what I had in my head. And let's torch. I think that I like it this way. Just have to pinch this middle a little bit. I'm not over the moon with this part, but I will leave it because there is so many gorgeous details here around with this black lacing on the turquoise. I hope that you see that. So just beautiful. It's like a spider web around. And I like how the flower looks now in the middle. except this part, but I can't do anything now. I really think that I like it that way, but just that you will imagine how it looks. This is gold shining through, you see. I think that this will dry really nice because of all these pearlescent paints. So tell me what you think about this. I really like it because it looks like a flower catched in a spider web or something. Tell me what you think. Do you like it too? And see you on the next one. Bye.